All right, I have a really great tip for you today. This is something that I kind of to work with people on, but it's on credit card rewards. Did you know that credit card rewards are not taxable? So I want to tell you just a little bit right now how to go ahead and use that to your advantage. One, I don't really believe in debt. Like if you have personal consumer credit card debt, like I'm going to help you work and get that paid off. Like I don't want you to have any consumer credit card debt, right? Um, Especially if you're getting close to retirement, like I want you to have all of your debt paid off so that you can retire and have all of that income that I've been helping you put away and save for retirement, put into your Roth and help you maybe self-direct. Like we can talk about all of that stuff, but I want to have your credit card debt paid off for you personally. And then if you need help with that, we'll do the debt snowball. But I want to talk to you about credit card rewards because I just told you that you need to pay off your debt. But now you told me about credit card rewards. So what are you talking about, Kristen? You're really confusing me. So this is actually a little trick that I like to help my clients with is um, for your business, I want you to have a credit card. And I want you to find a credit card that has really great rewards for you. So don't just sign up for the first willy-nilly credit card that you can get. Really do your research. And if there's really great um, travel credit cards out there, like if you like to travel, like go ahead and find a credit card that offers really great rewards and open that up in the business name. Okay, that's the trick. And then you're going to use that credit card for your business. Pay it off every single month. I don't want you paying interest on it. Um, I mean, you can set up all of your like if you have utilities, set it up to auto pay to the credit card. Um, all of your normal spending for office supplies, like go ahead and put that on the business credit card to build the business credit card and your rewards on the business credit card. And then when you want to take that family vacation, and again, if you have business travel, make sure you're putting that in the business credit card, racking up those rewards. We never want to take any of those rewards and use them for the business side of things. No, no, no. The business has write-offs that are legit that we can write off in the business. But if we want to try do a family vacation or travel something, do personal travel, we're going to cash in those business credit card rewards and use them for your family vacation. And the best part is that business credit card rewards or the credit card rewards are non-taxable. The IRS has been fighting this. They really want those credit card rewards to be taxable, but as of right now, they're still not taxable. Um, so basically, like I just had a client cash in like over 4 grand worth of credit card rewards, and I don't know what he used it for, but I'm hoping that was for some sort of family vacation or something personal to reward yourself. That's another way that you can do things that benefit you personally through the business. So I hope that that tip really helped you out. And again, um, every Tuesday I come on here, and last Tuesday I took off for Thanksgiving. I enjoyed a whole week. I did self-care. It was amazing. I came back this week ready to work. I'm ready to serve my clients. And so self-care is important, and that's why I did not show up last Tuesday to do my video for y'all. But every Tuesday I do these videos. So go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube and go ahead and like this video. And if you find any of the things that I talk about, like I talked about paying your kids like 3 weeks ago, paying your grandkids 2 weeks ago, paying family members. We have talked about all different types of strategies that you can use in your business that will help you out, save money on taxes, protect your assets, build that legacy. So if you want to talk more about this, we can certainly have a discovery call. I will post the link below, but that's your next step. And you can also follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn. We're also there too. Thank you.